what you are.
It's time to blow this thing, get everybody to stuff together. Okay, let's check it out.
Because it was a different DJ just now. It must be the patching cord somewhere. It must be the patching. Unless the cable got problem. Is that true?
What you got to do, yeah, just let it all go.
Can you kill it?
What you holding back now? Oh, just let it all go. What you holding on to? Just let it all go. It's so worse. Just let it all go. What you got to do, yeah, just let it all go. Open your doors now, please, just let it all go.
I'm gonna go to a song.
Oh!
Okay, quick.
I have to pause?
Yeah, you can
There's only
pause.
one channel.
Okay, alright. No, I'm playing for a song.
We're playing from center.
So that she can. Can you play something to check? See whether it's. Now to check.
Okay, both. Okay, bye.
After this song, say something and you can start. You cue first, you cue it. I will give you the signal. Don't play anything now.
From the corner of her eye, over me, over you. She said, run over you, over me. And in a blinding flash, in an inner crash, I got her to her feet, and she smiled at me. the corner of her eye. Over me, over you. She said, run over you, over me. And in a blinding flash, we ended in a crash. I got her to her feet and then she smiled at me.
It's exactly 9:14 right here on Lush 99.5. Well, that's not part of the repertoire of Jean Reiki. It's a song by Serenade called The Girl from Katong. The reason is because we had some patching problem with her setup, so that's why we played that Serenade number. So now it's back to the girl from Chinatown, Jean Reiki.